Hi, Grace. How are you today?
Hi, Lucas. I am good, thank you. And you?
I am good too, thank you. Today we will talk about our day.
Oh, yes, our daily routine. It is simple but very useful for English learners.
Yes, very useful. We will talk slowly, clearly.
And repeat some phrases so you can understand and practice.
Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, and write a comment too. We love reading your comments.
Okay, let's start. Lucas, what time do you usually wake up?
You mean, what time does Lucas wake up?
Hey, I wake up early, usually at 6 a.m.
Oh, very early. I wake up at 7 a.m. sometimes.
After I wake up, I brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush.
Me too. Brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Very important.
Yes, very important. After brushing, I wash my face.
I wash my face too. Clean face, clean mind.
That is good. Then I eat breakfast.
Oh, yes, breakfast. Very important. What do you eat?
I eat bread, eggs, and drink tea.
I eat cereal and drink milk.
Cereal is good.
Yes, sometimes I eat fruit too.
After breakfast, I go to work.
I go to school.
Yes, different daily routines, but similar.
Very similar. After work, I usually take a short walk.
I like that. I go for a walk too sometimes.
Walking is good for health, good for body and mind.
Yes, and after walking, I drink water. Water is very important.
Oh, yes, drink water. Drink, drink, drink.
Very funny. Then I have lunch.
Lunch, my favorite meal. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables, sometimes chicken.
I eat soup and bread. Simple but healthy.
After lunch, I rest for a short time.
Oh, yes, resting is very good. I like to rest too.
Then I continue work.
Me too. After rest, I study English.
Great. Studying English every day is important.
Yes, practice every day. Little by little, we improve.
That is right, Grace. Okay, after work or study, I exercise.
Exercise. I like walking, sometimes yoga.
I like jogging. Run, run, run.
Run, run, run. Very funny.
After exercise, I take a shower.
Me too. Shower time is relaxing.
Yes, clean body, clean mind.
Then I prepare dinner.
Oh, yes, dinner. What do you eat for dinner?
I eat pasta or rice, sometimes salad.
I eat fish or chicken and vegetables. Healthy food.
Yes, healthy food is good.
After dinner, I watch TV or read a book.
Me too. I like reading books. Sometimes I watch a movie.
Then, before sleep, I brush my teeth again.
Oh, yes, very important. Brush teeth before bed. Brush, brush, brush.
Yes, then I go to bed. Sleep time.
Sleep is very important. Good sleep, good day tomorrow.
That is our daily routine. Morning, afternoon, evening.
Yes, now let's repeat some key phrases slowly.
Okay. Wake up. Brush teeth. Wash face. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Walk. Drink water. Lunch. Rest. Study. Exercise. Shower. Dinner. Watch TV. Sleep.
Very good. Repeat with us. Wake up, brush teeth, wash face, eat breakfast, go to work, walk, drink water, lunch, rest, study, exercise, shower, dinner, watch TV, sleep.
Excellent. You are learning very well.
Yes, very good.
Now, a question for our viewers. Grace, what is your question?
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite meal? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
And what do you usually do in a day?
Yes, write your daily routine in the comments. We love to read.
Thank you for watching today. We hope you learned new words and phrases.
and practiced your English. Speak slowly, repeat, and have fun.
See you next time.
Bye. Have a good day.